So I'm going to go ahead and go over the assignment with you this week. You're going to be doing a reading and then answering a few questions on taxes. We've talked about taxes a lot and how at some point in time, if you've ever bought anything, you have paid some form of tax. If you've bought something, you've paid sales tax. But you've also paid taxes if you've ever worked. You pay city taxes, you pay state, you pay federal, and then you pay into things like Medicare and things like that. So, what you are going to do is you're going to click on the PDF reading and you're going to go through and read that. It's going to go over the different types of taxes. Some of them you may have never heard of. But your taxes are all used to keep the government going and for services that we use every day, like things like roads. Income tax, that's the taxes you pay when you work and you get a paycheck. Social Security and Medicare tax. Social Security you can draw from when you are 65, unless they change the age again, because sometimes they do that. And Medicare is a form of health insurance. You also have things like property tax. So if you own land, you have to pay taxes on that. You have an estate tax, which is sometimes called the death tax. So that is where if somebody dies and is worth a lot of money, usually in the millions, like I'm not going to have that tax, you have to pay a tax on it. And then there's things like tariffs, and those are paid on foreign goods. So some of this may seem pretty familiar, which is awesome, and some of it may be new to you. So once you do the reading, you're going to go over here and you're going to answer the questions. Your first part is matching over the different types of taxes. The second part goes over a couple different taxes. And here's the thing. You can't write in this picture where the blank line is. So what you're going to do is you're going to write your answer here. Number 9 is already done for you. And here is a word bank to help you as well. You're only going to use each one of them once. And then down here is a pay stub. So when you get a job, they have to tell you what is being taken out of your check. So they have to give you a breakdown of all the taxes. So you're going to go through this lady named Wanda's pay stub and answer a couple questions. Because just because you make, like, let's say, $800 a week, doesn't mean you're going to get that full $800 because you still have to pay taxes. Alright, so that is what you're going to be doing this week. Please let me know if you have any questions. Also, if you have not been turning in assignments, please make sure you do that. We're going with letter grades this quarter, so A, B, C, D, F. If you want to know your grade, you can email me. You can also add them up and divide them by the most possible points. You can do that as well, but if you're a little confused, please let me know. Also, don't wait till the last minute to finish assignments, because then you're going to have a ton of assignments and you're going to be really stressed out. You don't want to be stressed out at the end of the year, especially right now during a pandemic, when you're probably already stressed out. So, please let me know if you guys have any questions. I miss you all and stay safe.